This is transformer coupled amplifier frequency. Here is MB number 620B. Here is signal input. Here is transformer primary. Here is secondary. Here is signal output. This experiment, or we have required function generator, signal, optional accessory. Here is required output on CRO. Firstly, function generator frequency according to manual 100 Hz set, and now amplitude of 20 millivolt. Here is set. Now switch on the instrument. Here is frequency 100 Hz. Input signal here is connected. Now here is output on CRO. Here is connected. Here is this procedure, step by step follow the. Here is 100 Hz frequency, amplitude is 20 volt set. Now observe the amplifier output on CRO. Here is increase frequency from function generator. Here is C amplifier output on CRO. Small step. Here is 100 kilohertz is frequency is now. Note down the frequency and amplitude. And now frequency is very, output is not here, and frequency 100 kilohertz, amplitude is down, and frequency increase here. This frequency variable, and note the amplitude. Frequency here is input signal same, output signal noted, and gain output oblique input. Here is bandwidth, frequency and gain. Here is formula. Now see the output. Here is dotted line connected. Here is effect of output. Here is without load signal. Here is with load signal is here. Thank you.